Today is Monday, September the 2nd. Hurricane Dorian bearing down on us. Well, will be bearing down on us very soon. And we're at Animal Kingdom today. Because, well, basically no one else wanted to come when they heard that there was a hurricane. So it's looks like only locals and the people who were already here. Good day for it too. The Kilimanjaro Safari wait was 5 minutes when we last checked. Navi River Journey was at 15-minute wait. And Flight of Passage was at 40 minutes. Hey. Matter of fact, I believe yesterday, friggin' Smuggler's Run over at Galaxy's Edge was down to 80 minutes. So the threat of hurricane has really made the parks a lot more chill.
Looks like on the right here we are coming across a baobab tree as well. Trees like this are often leafless for about 9 months of the year. A giraffe's tongue can grow to be about 18 to 20 inches long. See, we do have some younger giraffes here. Also, we look to our left and right.
To the car. But Katie and I are both soaked to the bone.
Yeah.
See, I wore long pants today because I thought, oh, it's going to be cloudy and overcast all day. I didn't consider we'd be running to the car in a monsoon.
Yeah.
Despite it all, I think we're still going over to Hollywood Studios.
Because we're crazy people.
Because we're crazy people. Okay, let's go. Twice, but we're finally going through the tunnel into Batu. And we are all the way at the very edge of the galaxy in a little place called Batu. And the rain it's still decently busy, but compared to what it was on opening day, or so I hear. Snuffy like that helmet?
No.
No. Cason, what's in there? Whose ship is it? It's Chewie's ship? That is seriously cool. This is definitely also the most packed part of the entire land right now. Kind of expected that though. Stormtroopers, be cool. Be cool.
The first order will be set up.
I need to get me one of these. A super cheap one though. Oh, come on. We just made it in before the rain started. Take a look at this. We actually did not get wet this time. It is currently Tuesday. Dorian was scheduled to have arrived. We had a lot of rain first thing this morning. And there's some wind right there. But for the most part, it's nice and calm. Of course, Dorian is moving at 3 miles an hour right now. And for the better part of yesterday, he was moving at 1 mile an hour. He's kind of gotten stuck. So we'll see if this hurricane shows up tomorrow. I am on my way to pick up Cason from daycare. Katie is at work. That's right. Both Katie's work and Cason's daycare were open today. Our lovely friend Hurricane Dorian threw basically nothing our way today. I don't think it has rained here since very early this morning. They were projected that it was going to get nasty right around 2, but nothing. So here in Central Florida, me and Katie's first hurricane back in Florida that was projected to hit us, and we've gotten a little more than a few light rains. There you go.